What the hell are these damn kids doing? Hey, what are you guys doing in here?
We're wiring up this for the bandsaw.
For the bandsaw you guys just bought?
Yeah.
So you guys already wired up this cord?
Yeah.
I thought you guys were gonna wait for me.
Yeah. We didn't want to.
You guys didn't want to wait?
Yes, yeah, so we came here after we finished rocket stove orders.
Oh, okay. Alright. Well, alright, get the shit done. The cord done. What are you guys doing?
We're setting up this electric.
Oh, you got it all running and everything?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
And it's for the rocket stove.
For the rocket stove?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Cool. Well, yeah, I guess if you guys need anything, let me know. I don't know what the hell I'm doing here anymore. You guys are doing everything. Alright. Bye. Get on alright? That's it. Hey, you a little off. A little off there, Paul.